Good afternoon, my friends and YTPC and Team Freedom. My friends, I hope everyone is well on this lovely Saturday. Windy, coldy, cloudy Saturday. Partly cloudy Saturday. Yes, a cold Saturday. We were supposed to have summer by now. We had a couple of warm days, but the winter started again in this week with with parts of the country covered in snow, which is really strange to have that part covered in snow this time of the year. That part usually gets snow, but not as much as they got. They got much more snow than usual, which is strange, and especially this time of the year. I mean, this time of the year is warm, man. Can go for a swim and so on. But these weather has different plans. We're not going to have summer this year, it seems to me, which is sad. I really miss the summer. I don't do cold weather. I do not like winter at all. But it is what it is, and we have to go on. Let's just hope summer will be here soon. Really. Okay, my friends. I think I did show you housekeeping, but let me show again. I'm enjoying a Roki's pocket warmer pipe. In it, I have a bowl of Flanagan tobacco, and with it, I'm having a cup of Columbia Cowboy coffee. Okay, and the lighter I'm going to use this week is my truck Zippo, and the knife for the week. Okay, my friends, now let me get my pipe lit. Ah. Okay, my friends, the first Zippo I want to show you guys is Zippo made in the USA. 1X. One side is 1 and or the other side is X. Not quite sure what that means. Is this Zippo? Yes, lines on it and so on. Graffiti. Really old Zippo. The second one, the markings is I on one side and the V on the other side. Also a Zippo. The Daredevil Zippo. Quite slimmer Zippo. Hang on, my pipe has gone out again. I said one with a gift. You also hold the base that with a pipe and a mustache on it. Unfortunately, it is not a pipe Zippo. The fourth one is the old flag of South Africa. So I won't show it on its side, I will show it upright, but there it is. The first lighter, I keep in this little pouch, I made this little pouch. It's my black Zippo. Number 6 is my plain silver Zippo. Number 7, I think it's an old style of Zippo, I'm not quite sure, but there it is. Press a button here. When it opens, it turns the wheel to make the spark. I keep all my Zippos empty. I don't put my Zippos in storage when I put it away. Every Saturday or Friday evening, when I rotate my lighter and my Zippo and my knife and so on, then I will refill it. Number 8 is the one with Desert Eagle on it. Number 9 is a carabine on it with the history of the infantry rifle on the back. Number 10 has 2 rifles on it, no markings at the back. I just love that sound. Number 11 has an MP7 on it, again with the history of the infantry rifle at the back. I talk too much, my pipe go out. Number 12 has an eagle on it, no markings at the back. Number 13, the lighter of the week, with the one with the truck on it. And then, in this pouch, I keep all my lighters, my flints, more flints, the cotton, was the inside, but inside here, I have 2 Zippo matches. A black one and a green one. Unscrew this part. There's a piece of metal inside with the flint on the side. And then you strike it and it burns. But again, I do not put my lighters and this in storage with fruit in it, so I keep it empty. That's what I refill it when I use it. So there are the two Zippo matches. And then here is a very old, I believe it's an old pipe lighter. It's a gas lighter. There I have a glass to see how full the gas are. When I open it, the nozzle is on the side. Turn this wheel on the side. For the spark, then it ignites. And then my last lighter is is an Aerojet pipe lighter. Must say this Aerojet is great lighters. And then a tool I always carry with me. It's a tool I received from Justin. It's this Zippo container. Then I can refill my lighters. A spare flint on it. So it's quite a handy little tool to have. I use it now a couple of um, times. I forgot to refill my lighter actually this morning when I take out the different Zippo. And when I came in town, I realized my Zippo is empty. But luckily I could refill it today while I'm not at home. So that's great. And I must say, this tobacco from Paper Dave, Flanagan, I just love it. I see it's Oriental, Kentucky, Virginia, and Perique. I can taste the Perique and the sweetness of the Virginia, the fruity, very well balanced tobacco. But honestly, I must say, because I love Latakia, plum pudding is amazing tobacco. That's a great tobacco. What was that, what was that, my friends? I, I greet you all. May you all have a lovely weekend. May you all have a blessed Saturday. Take care, my friends. Tot ziens. And go on, Team Freedom. Tot ziens, my friends.